Alright, so here we have this Amana that I briefly showed in the carrier video. This is right next to the house, but I'm making a separate video of these heat pumps. So little Amana, I imagine it has a scroll. Yep, it is a heat pump. There's another broad ocean fan motor in case you want to know. It's a 14 to 15 SEER, and it's a 2021 ASZ14 1.5 ton. I don't know if it's been running or not. Maybe it has, maybe it hasn't. If I can, I'll try to catch a startup tomorrow. Can't make any promises, but yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out.